Hey you guys, and welcome back to that channel, DAT Family 5. We are actually on a different channel, which is going to be DAT Family Hair channel. I figured I'd go ahead and split everything up, even though I'm filming everything and editing everything. I think due to the algorithm of YouTube, rather than having that family page and channel all in one, we're going to split it up into different categories. So today we're doing Ezekia's hair, and as you see, I'm just showing you the shampoo, the conditioners, and the things that I'm using on her hair. I use all types of stuff on her hair, just so she can keep moisture throughout the weeks when I braid her hair. And she has very long and thick and luscious hair, but you know the shrinkage is real. So I'm just washing. I normally wash 2 times, and then I condition 2 times, and then we go ahead and get to the starting of the braiding process. I dry her hair with a towel or a t-shirt, whatever is available at that time, and I braid her hair wet. I know a lot of people don't believe in braiding hair wet. They believe it damages the follicles. For my daughter's hair, it's easier for me to braid it wet, and it stays longer when it's wet. Why? I don't know. It just does. If it's straight, she starts to frizz quicker and it doesn't work. So I make sure I put some leave-in Detangle Cantu conditioner in there and spray. It's a spray. And then I also have a leave-in conditioner with added water in there. That also is another detangler, excuse me. And then I have this new Detangle Brush. I really like it. I got it from our favorite head store. But yeah, so just enjoy the music and me braiding her hair. I do the cornrow method, which is the above method. I braid pretty neatly, and I try to make sure that they're nice and taut to where they'll stay at least 2 to 3 weeks. She is 10. She is very active. Ezekia likes to skateboard, dance, and she likes anime, and she likes Craig of the Creek. And so, yes, this is my 10-year-old 5th grader, and virtual learning sucks. For any parents that are out there, praying for y'all. We are now the parents and the teachers. I know there are a lot of schools going back. I don't think it's time just yet. I kind of wish we wait until next year, but yeah, our schools are trying to go back over here in Hampton Roads, Virginia. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and any questions or concerns, just let me know. All the stuff that I used will be down in the description box below, and that'll be it. Thank y'all so much.
Could really use a change of scenery. Yeah, everybody's smoking all the greenery. Yeah, clothes the match 'cause they were handed down to me, but I'm still fly. I'm still fly. I know. I'm still fly. I'm still fly. Let's go. It could all be worse. I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes that make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you. Chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run.
So let me go ahead and properly introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. Rayne is our 17-year-old. Mamie is our 15-year-old, and Ezekia, who is here, is our 10-year-old, and our final and last child until we adopt. We are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you all the inspiration and motivation that you need to get throughout your day and throughout your life. We are a company that gives out positive family motivation. Though we are not sometimes always positive because we are not perfect, we try to show positive Black family vibes. So if you like our energy, if you like this video, go ahead and go to our website at www.datfamily5llc.com, and also go ahead and follow us on Instagram at DATFamily5. So yeah, I'm just excited for this journey we have started in the year 2021, and like I said in the beginning, we are splitting our channel so that the algorithm can do what it needs to do, and we can give y'all more motivation on different channels. That's all. You get a little bit more of us, not too much of us, if that makes sense. All right, y'all be blessed, and I'll be back after this. Yes, but don't forget, if you like our energy, go ahead and click that thumbs up. If you love what you see, go ahead and subscribe and join the family, and make sure you ring that bell for notifications for later. Thank you so much.
I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 a brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, yeah. Oh.
So normally when I'm at home taking care of things I need to take care of, I'm also on my phone talking with my friends, YouTube friends. So the one I'm talking to today is Black Butterfly, Toya Harris. Go ahead and check her out on her YouTube. She is so wonderful, so sweet, and she's a mother of 5, and yeah, she is just wonderful. I think this day and the day before we had talked a total of like 5 hours. It was great. So go ahead and go check her out. You know, we as mothers and wives, we need to get our time too. Even though I'm also doing Ezekia's hair, I'm still getting some motivation and some recharge time with my friend Toya as I'm talking on the phone. Sometimes you just need to talk to other mothers and other wives. You need to have that type of connection with other females. It just helps you be a better female sometimes, depending on who you're with. But it just helps you be a better mom, better female, because you're not always in your own face, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I hope y'all go ahead and check her out. We are almost done with this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end my part here, but continue to be listening, watch the video all the way out. Please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and ring that bell for notifications for this channel. It will just be here, and they'll go up probably either bi-weekly or so. And yeah, so I just want to thank y'all so much. We appreciate y'all, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and as always, we will see y'all on the tube. Thank you so much. Don't forget to stay till the end to see the end result of her hair. Thank you.
That's me. DD, that's me. DD, DD, that's me. DD, You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in a hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama. The mama loves me and I love her, so if she wants something, it's never a bother. 3 little ladies, my babies, and 1 on the way. Now I'm stressing my mama. And don't try to play around, don't try to play with them.
Atoya!
Said don't try to play around, don't try to play with them.
Hi, Ziki.
You hold 4 to 5 nights on the road.
Head down,
Count
please.
the days till I'm home. I could do show to show, but nothing is better than home. Driving through nights I'm alone. Count the days till I'm home. I've been on road, I'm on go, but nothing is better than home. Clicking my heels like I'm Dorothy. I need new hobbies, it's boring me. Play on my kids and it's water me. I see new love for some motoring. I just want socks and stocks.
So I didn't explain
Still young in my 20s, I celebrate. This one for the dads, let me dedicate. Head of the house like the head of state. Bring home the cash in the dinner place. I go, I zoom, accelerate. I cannot be bought at some bargain rate. I got on my back and my body weight. I stay in the crib like a quarantine. I stay in the crib and I isolate. Making my way, watch it demonstrate. I ain't no special, my tidal wave. I came to win, I ain't come to play. At my own pace, I'm never late. See, this rap thing is the new to me. My only do this for like 2 or 3. I'll be down as long as it's true to me. Is that what tooth is going? But none of these records is new to me. I used to skip class, I'm too
we lost the tooth.
GD. On paper was worth like a couple G's. That hustle and work, nothing new to me. Look back now, I'm worth like an Amazon. Never underestimate G.O.D. Don't give me what I want, but what